Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create consistent images using Perchance AI. So your characters and styles stay the same every time in 2026. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. Create consistent images using Perchance AI, we're going to use seed numbers. As you can see, I have already generated dragon images. So in order for me to have consistent generated images, first, I'm going to choose a generated image of my preference. Let's tell that my preferred image is this generated image. So to create consistent images like this is I'm going to click the information button right here and I'm going to click include seed. After I have clicked include seed, the seed would show in this prompt. Now the next step would be copying and pasting it to the description above. With this done, I would just paste the seed and the next step is to generate. Now that I have generated all of the images, let us scroll down and you can see that all of the images have a consistency of what my preference is earlier. That is how you create consistent images using the seed number. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.